let me tell y'all what happened. My kids thought that we was about to let this rotisserie chicken go to waste. Here we go. So we are about to shred this baby. We getting all this meat up out of here, and we gonna make some enchiladas. Stay tuned. Got the meat shredded, y'all. We got the white, the dark. We got as much as we can off of there. Okay, as much as we can. Now I boiled some water because we about to make some rice and some black beans. And all, I'm not measuring. I'm gonna cook. I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing. Okay. Then we gonna put a top on it. We'll use the big side. Okay, so I'm pouring a little water to give it some inspiration. And then I use these 2 forks to continue to shred it up once it's softened up from the water and simmering in the taco seasoning. And now I am going to use some black beans, 1 full can, and pour it inside the rice that is already done. Because we know these black beans in a can come pre-cooked. Okay, now I did dump it to make sure everything got out of there. And so once that cooked for a moment, now I pour it in the bottom of the pan because I am going to put my enchiladas on top. So now using the shredded chicken, I am using some large taco shells or tortilla shells or whatnot. We usually use these for tacos, so that's why I am calling them taco shells, but tortilla shells. Yeah, I am just wrapping it up. Normally I would put cheese in the middle, but I forgot to buy shredded cheese and only have the blocks that I have to shred. And I don't feel like putting in the work because I don't have a cheese shredder. Crazy, right? I got all these gadgets. Okay, so now that all of them are rolled up and sitting on top of the rice and beans, then I added some cheese on top, and now I'm about to pour this whole can of red enchilada sauce. My mom lives by the green one. I think I need to try it because she loves the green sauce. I have not tried that yet. I'm scared. So I'm just going to make sure that all of it gets covered, and we do like it to touch the rice on the bottom. So you see me going around the edges a bit, which is fine. So now that all of this sauce is on top, I am going to add some more cheese before I bake it. And then of course I have to come in with my Italian seasoning, although this is a Mexican dish. I'm using my Italian seasoning. Actually, this is parsley. I thought it was Italian seasoning. Okay, so I sprinkled some parsley on top just to make it look pretty. And now we're going to put it in my little oven because why are we going to turn on the big one when we got this little countertop one here? And let that bake until the cheese is nice and melted. And would you look at that? It is gorgeous and so delicious. And guess what? My kids did not know that it was a rotisserie chicken that they did not want to eat. Y'all, food is expensive. We are not about to be wasting anything if I can help it. Right, so I cut it up with a knife. I would normally use a different knife to cut it up. I don't know how I ended up with this one, but it must have just been right there. And I just plated everybody's dish. You guys, let me know how you use your leftovers down in the comments, no matter what they are. And thanks for watching, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Peace out.